it's inevitable at some point you're going to run into a problem you can't fix on your own on the delivery. Now, there is a VIP chat support line up with a number on the screen, but you will take a lot longer to do that. There is a lot you can do in the app and fix yourself without having to call and depend upon them. For example, if I go to a store and the restaurant says, we don't have the order, someone has already picked it up. Well, what do? The only option you have is to confirm pickup. I'm going to show you exactly what you do when it happened to me. This is how you unassign without receiving a penalty on your completion rate. I'm going to go to the question mark at the upper right-hand corner of the screen and say that the store has an issue. Next to the bottom, I'm going to pick order already picked up, and it says unassigned with no pay. Your completion rate will not be affected. It has a little thing down here that says worry-free unassigned. So to unassign the order, select the reason that it applies. Store can't find order in the system. Order already picked up. Confirm unassigned. You've been unassigned.
Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you're still here and you haven't before, subscribe. It's free, it's easy, it's one click. If you don't do it, I'll kick you in the nuts. Thanks for watching. See you next time.